Hello everyone, and welcome to this in-depth tutorial on how to talk with anyone with confidence. Confidence is an important aspect of communication that can greatly impact your relationships, first impressions, and goals. In this tutorial, we will dive into the details of how to become a confident communicator. 1. Know your audience. The first step in building confidence is to understand your audience. Before you start a conversation, research the person or group you will be talking to. This can include things like their background, interests, and common topics of discussion. By knowing your audience, you can tailor your communication style and language to fit their needs and preferences, making the conversation more enjoyable for everyone. Additionally, you should also consider the context of the conversation. For example, if you are talking to a potential employer, you may want to be more professional and focused on your qualifications, while if you are talking to a friend, you may be more relaxed and casual. Understanding the context of the conversation will help you communicate effectively and with confidence. 2. Prepare ahead of time. Before you have a conversation, take some time to prepare. This can involve thinking about what you want to say and how you want to say it, and writing down key points to help you stay on track. Practicing delivering your message in a confident and clear manner can also help you feel more comfortable when the time comes to talk. It's important to be well prepared because it can help reduce nerves and increase your confidence. When you know what you want to say and have practiced saying it, you are less likely to feel caught off guard or unsure of yourself during the conversation. This preparation can also give you a sense of control and ownership over the situation, which can further boost your confidence. 3. Be present. When communicating, it's important to be fully present in the moment. This means avoiding distractions, such as checking your phone, and focusing your attention on the person you are talking to. Listening attentively and making eye contact are key ways to show that you are engaged and interested in the conversation. This will help create a positive atmosphere and make the other person feel valued. Being present also means being mindful of your body language. Avoid crossing your arms or slouching, as these can be seen as closed or disinterested body language. Instead, use open and relaxed gestures, and maintain good posture. This will help convey confidence and create a positive impression. 4. Be yourself. It's important to be authentic when communicating. Don't try to be someone you're not or put on an act, as this can make the conversation feel forced and inauthentic. People can usually tell when someone is being insincere, and it can harm the relationship or the opportunity for one. Instead, be yourself and let your personality shine through. By being yourself, you can build rapport and create a more natural and enjoyable conversation. You may also find that people are more likely to trust and connect with you if you are genuine and authentic. 5. Practice active listening. Active listening is a critical aspect of confident communication. It involves paying attention to what the other person is saying, asking clarifying questions, and showing that you are interested in their perspective. This will help build rapport and make the conversation more engaging. By actively listening, you can also demonstrate that you value the other person's input and perspective. This can help foster a positive and respectful relationship, and make the conversation feel more meaningful and enjoyable. Additionally, by truly understanding the other person's point of view, you can respond in a way that is more relevant and effective. 6. Speak clearly and concisely. When speaking, it's important to communicate clearly and concisely. Use simple language and avoid using complex or technical terms that the other person may not understand. Make sure to slow down your speech and avoid speaking too quickly, as this can make it difficult for the other person to follow the conversation. It's also important to vary your tone and pace to keep the conversation interesting. This can help you maintain the other person's attention and make the conversation feel more engaging. Additionally, speaking clearly and concisely will help you convey your message effectively and with confidence. Conclusion. In conclusion, communicating with confidence requires a combination of understanding your audience, preparation, being present, being yourself, active listening, and speaking clearly and concisely. By following these tips and practicing them regularly, you can become a confident communicator and improve your relationships, first impressions, and overall success. Remember, confidence is a skill that can be developed over time with practice, so don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Just keep working at it and you'll be amazed at the positive changes you'll see in your communication and overall confidence. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips have been helpful in your journey to becoming a confident communicator. Hi everyone, thanks for tuning into this video. If you are enjoying this content, make sure to hit that like button and share with your friends. And if you're new to this channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with all the latest and greatest content. We have a lot of exciting things coming up, and you don't want to miss out. So, again, make sure to like, share, and subscribe if you are enjoying this content. Your support helps us continue to create high-quality content and grow our community. And as always, leave a comment below with your thoughts and suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.